What's up guys, Ashraf here, back again with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A41. So this is from Samsung's budget lineup, and yes, this is the unboxing, so make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so let's get straight into the unboxing. So as you can see at the front, the actual device, this is the blue version, A41 logo, Samsung here. At the back, surprisingly, no specs or anything, clean. The seal here, at the bottom, some of the details, and yeah, that's what's on the box. Now let's open it up. As you can see, the phone is the first thing in the box, but let's see what else is in here. This should be the manual, so nothing else here. This is just the shell, so we'll put that there. Let's see what's in here. So as you can see, the SIM ejection tool, and we've got some papers in there. So just your user manual, nothing important. That we'll put this back in here and get to the actual phone and everything there. So, as you can see, the A41 right here on top of the box, the nice shiny blue rainbow color. Let's put this to the side for now and see what else comes in the box. So I'm guessing this is the 15-watt fast charger. As you can see here, it does say fast charge if it does focus. Well, it does say fast charge anyway, guys. So this is the fast charging travel adapter for you guys. That's that. We also have a pair of Samsung headphones. These aren't AKG because these are the budget range from Samsung. So you've got some headphones here. We've also got that. And then we've got USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So that's what we have in the box. Let's move on to the actual device. Okay, so let's get to the actual device. So just a bit of specs before we do. This is the Samsung Galaxy A41. It has a triple camera setup, as you can see here. The main camera, depth sensor, and a wide angle camera, so no macro lens, which is good. Nobody really uses the macro lens. As you can see, nice shiny blue color. USB-C at the bottom of the device here. Let me just try and focus here for you guys. It is the USB-C, as you can see here. USB-C, headphone jack, and speaker. This isn't Dolby Atmos speaker, so there is only one at the bottom, which is easy to cover up with your hand, but it does not matter that much. Then we've got the inbuilt fingerprint scanner, Snapdragon, the processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 4 or 6 gigabytes of RAM, and this bundle has 64 gigabytes of storage. So let's take the plastic off. So that's the plastic off, and this is plastic. So just take the sticker out of the way, and as you can see here, the overall device looks quite nice. So nice blue rainbow color. Overall in the hand, it does feel quite nice. I am normally a big phone guy. I do use the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. That is a 6.4 inch display, and this is a 6.1 inch display. So definitely a big difference. So this is plastic. So this is not, so it doesn't have wireless charging. But apart from that, it feels really, really nice in the hand. So this was the quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A41. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And yeah, the review should be coming out in about 2 to 3 days. So like and subscribe. Ashraf.